All right, let's get your JBL soundbar hooked up to your Wi-Fi. It's easy.
Seriously, we're going to get this done in just a couple of taps.
Okay, first, make sure you have the JBL One app, your soundbar is on, and you know your Wi-Fi password.
First things first, go ahead and open up the JBL One app.
Now you're going to see Add New Product. Go on and tap that.
Okay, the app is now looking for your soundbar. This part is pretty quick.
And there it is. When your soundbar pops up on the screen, just tap on it.
So what's next? We'll pick your Wi-Fi, put in the password, and connect. Go through the list and find your home Wi-Fi network.
Now carefully type in that Wi-Fi password. Remember, it's case sensitive.
Once you've got the password in, just hit continue.
And now, it's working its magic. Just give it a second to connect.
Boom! Success! Your soundbar is now on your Wi-Fi network. So it says it's connected, right? But let's do a quick test to be sure.
Go ahead and open whatever music app you like to use.
Look for that little speaker or cast icon and give it a tap.
You should see your JBL soundbar right there in the list. Select it.
All right, here's the real test. Just hit play on any song.
And there you have it. You're all set. Now go enjoy that amazing sound.